Well, the Flagstaff telescope that helped discover Pluto has finally reopened after a year of renovations.
The Laurence Lowell telescope still has the original bolts and screws from when it was first built in the 1920s, but it got a facelift. It cost about $155,000 in all. The upgrades include cleaning of the original glass, so now they are crystal clear, plus an update on the, get this, the boxing glove that was used to keep astronomers from hitting their heads.
What?
Yeah, just kind of a little fix-it there,
Oh.
using a glove. The biggest change, though, a new paint job.
The color of the telescope actually changed. So our renovation team went under and took off all of the paint layers, and they discovered a silver paint underneath the rustic red that a lot of people have seen. So we decided that that would be more historically correct.
Oh, I like that.
It's a tour worth taking if you have kids.
I haven't been.
Yeah, it is worth it.
To go.
A lot of cool little sights around the telescope as well. So guests can see the historic telescope during tours that run daily at Lowell Observatory.